Here I have a video, sorry, it's a photo of a TV, and here I have a video which is some video which I had in my hard disk. I'm gonna embed this video inside this TV screen. I'm not gonna show how to animate these videos. You might have seen these videos where the TV screen is not at one place. The video is moving, so you have to like anchor that video into one place. I'm not gonna do that. I mean, doing that in Premiere is really hard to do because if the motion is not uniform, we have to go through all the frames and adjust the place manually. We can do it easily in After Effects. I'll definitely create a video about that because I'm running out of content ideas.
Disappointment is immeasurable.
In this video, I'm not just showing you how to like mask this and then embed this inside it. I'm gonna do something more than that. Before anything else, we're gonna create a mask around this TV screen. So for that, select this TV under Effect Controls, go to Opacity and click on this pen tool, and we can create a mask around this screen area. Now I just created a simple draft around this. Now I have to like adjust these curvatures and all. But to do that, I can't see any TVs. So what I did was I just replicated this same thing below that, and I'm gonna delete this mask, and here we can see the entire video. So we can just easily adjust these curvatures without, obviously you know how to create these things. I think I did a good job in masking this. So now I'm gonna delete this bottom TV layer. But now I don't want this screen. I just want the TV and the surroundings of the TV. So for that, we're gonna go to this mask and click on this invert mask button. And we can play around this mask feather to, get kind of a better mask. So now we're gonna select this video and we can just select this motion from here. We can adjust this video to be inside this monitor. And you might think now it's over, but it's not.
Okay.
Now as you can see, we have just added a video inside this TV, but it's not looking very natural because this TV screen is having a little bit of a curvature, because usually these old TV screens are having this kind of a curvature. So to create that, we're gonna go to Effects and under Effects search for Lens Distortion. So you can just drag and drop this onto the video, and under Lens Distortion, you can use these effects to create that curvature based on the TV you got. I think this thing is enough, and also make sure that you uncheck this button saying click fill alpha. Adjust the position and scale of this. Here you can see that this is better than earlier because now it's having a sort of a distortion. And also we can add some noise onto this footage, so we can get that old TV look by adding a grain. So just search for grain, and under noise and grain we can have this effect. We can just select this noise and drag this onto the video and increase the noise a little bit. So now we can see that this video looks like it's playing inside this TV. And now we can see that our TV is not straight looking at us. The TV is at a certain angle. This is not much visible in this video because this TV is having a little amount of angle. But if your footage is having a TV with a large angle which is like tilted, we can always use this effect called Basic 3D Effect. We can drag this onto the video, and from this Basic 3D Effect we can adjust this swivel and the tilt in the video. So using that we can change the perspective of the video. Oh, it's not. Not only that, you can also use this corner pin effect. If we add this corner pin effect to the video, if we just select this, and here from these four corners we can select this video and change the perspective of the video. We can use the Basic 3D Effect too, but in corner pin effect we have much more control over the image. So this way we can create this video inside the TV, right? Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and